Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gameplay Classic. In this video, we will be learning how to join a Hamster Kombat channel. In order to join the Hamster Kombat channel, first of all, you'll need to open up the Telegram application. Right after you open up the Telegram app from the main homepage, go to the chat screen and then click on the search box at the top. Type in Hamster Kombat and look for this Hamster Kombat icon with a blue tick in it. There are multiple Hamster Kombat channels on Telegram. Make sure you join the official one. After you do this, go ahead and click on subscribe to the channel and you will be able to join the Hamster Kombat channel right away. So that is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.